Easy and delicious stir-fry spaghetti you need to try today. And by the way, before you make your pasta, you need to watch this video to the end before you try to recreate yours. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite elegant chef Bossy, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this pasta recipe. Let's get right into it. In a pot, you're going to add your butter and then a little bit of cooking oil to this, and you need to wait for it to melt a bit before you go in with your onion. But for me, I'm using dried onion and it's fine. After that, I'm going to add my ginger and garlic powder mixed together. Then I'm going to add my grated pepper, tomato, and a little bit of fresh onion to it. Then I'm going to mix and then allow it to sit between 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat before I go in with my seasoning cube and Bayleaf. Then I'm just going to mix again and then allow it to sit between 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat before I go in with my vegetables. So for my vegetables, I'm going to add my carrot first, and then my yellow bell peppers and green bell peppers. Then I'm going to stir, and then set aside. Mind you, like I've always said earlier, you need to make your sauce before you boil your pasta. So time for us to boil our pasta. In the pot, we're going to add water. Allow your water bring to a boil before you add your salt and your pasta. At this stage, I'm trying to make sure my pasta is properly seated inside the pot. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil. The time for your pasta depends on the quantity that's on the package. For this, it's 5 to 7 minutes. So allow my pasta boil for 7 minutes on a medium heat. Then the moment I realize it's all dainty, I sieved it and then I added it inside my sauce. And then I'm just going to stir together until it is well and properly combined. Mind you, my heat is on a low heat. After that, I'm just going to add my pasta water to this, and then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to simmer between 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat. Next, I'm going to add my spring onion, and then I'm just going to stir. At this stage, our pasta is ready. All we have to do is serve. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. And by the way, I serve this with grilled chicken. So if you want to know how to make your grilled chicken, the video is up on my YouTube channel, and definitely I'm going to link it to this video. So thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to follow me for more. Bye.